Hi, Josh Davidson here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the "This operating system is not supported" error with HP Softpaq drivers. In this case, I'm going to show with the ELAN touchpad driver for Windows 10 1903. However, I'm currently running Windows 10 21H2, the latest version at the time of filming. When we go through the Softpaq driver extractor, it's going to extract the files onto the disk, and then we get this error message that the driver is not supported. This is due to an oversight that HP made when designing the Softpaq driver system. They did not take into account that feature updates to Windows typically do not remove compatibility for previous driver versions. In fact, drivers from Windows Vista will typically still work, even up to Windows 11. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem so you can install your drivers. I've created a utility to fix this problem. Let's launch it. Here is the main page. I want to just take a moment to apologize for the speed of this computer. I didn't want to erase this machine for this demo, so I'm using Windows off a USB drive, causing it to be slow. As per the instructions, the first thing we need to do is install all of our packages, so let's go ahead and do that. I've already done the ELAN trackpad, so we're going to continue and go through each one of these packages and attempt to install them. Even though the error appears, as per the instructions, we're just going to press OK and continue on to the next package. It should be noted that not all of the Softpaq packages have this problem. In this example, the Realtek driver for the Wi-Fi on this notebook will work just fine because it doesn't include this check. As you can see, the Wi-Fi driver installed just fine. So, let's take a look at our device tree. I'll open the device manager. You can see that we have a lot of unknown devices and devices that do not have drivers installed. So now, let's go ahead and go back to the driver installation fixer. The default path is already set here in the root folder box, and since I have not changed it, this is sufficient. So we'll click on Next, and the utility is now going to search for packages. And you can see that it has found all the packages that need to be patched. You will notice that the Realtek Wi-Fi package is not here. It does not need to be patched by this utility. We will select Next, and the utility is going to automatically begin patching and installing the drivers. If you want to check the progress of a driver install, simply select the command window, which HP's setup will open, minimized. You can then watch the drivers install. However, I'm going to stay watching the progress bar. This may take some time since I'm using Windows to Go on a slow USB, so I'm going to enable a time-lapse recording and then come back later. Okay, the installation is complete, so we're going to go ahead and select the reboot option. Alright, we've rebooted, so let's go ahead and check the device manager again. And you can see that all of our unknown devices have been installed. Please note that this tool cannot fix a genuine incompatibility with the driver INF and your target operating system. It will only correct the common issue where the driver's installer, Softpaq, says that it's not compatible when the driver actually is, as in the case of this and a few other of the notebooks that I've come in contact with. If you'd like the download to this tool, it will be in the description, as is the source code. It's a pretty simple program, and it only took me a few hours to write. I hope that this helps you. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Josh Davidson, and if you have any questions, leave them below.